Hey guys, this is my first ever building video that I'm gonna do with these magnetic blocks that I got at Christmas. Just open this up and it will be ready soon.
Come here, peanut butter boy.
Kate, he probably needs a diaper too.
Alright.
It's been a minute since doing this. Oh yeah, it's back. Surprised me last time.
No, but put it down.
Run away. Oh my god, look at you. Look at your face.
But it's a cute face.
It's a cute face, but my word. Your sticky feet. Hold on, let me check. Let me check. There is a surprise in there. You beat me. Ow, that hurt.
Be nice to mommy.
Good. Hey, can you wipe your face? Clean your face.
You got chocolate everywhere.
Clean your face. Boy, you stop. You're gonna get my fingers in it. Quit. Can you not? Boy, going straight from my face.
Alright, now that we're ready, then
Alright.
build. First, let's make a house.
Look at that nose. Look at that nose. Give me that. Give me that. Ready? And
1, 2, 3.
yeah, I think that's just the
That's gonna
More?
require that.
Squeeze, squeeze. More of this?
There's one over there. Kate.
Oh, wipe. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. You get them bugs. There's one in there. Got it. Wait, there's one in here. Got it. Is there more? You're gross.
What are you making?
I'm making
Alright.
a house.
More? You just want me to beat you up all the time? Tell that to CPS when they come over. Good lord. Yeah, exactly why they're gonna end up here. They're like, man, we saw you beat your kid with a baby wipe on YouTube.
Whoa, flying wipe.
Let me see their names. Man, that's the cleanest you've been.
Nothing better than a wipe bath. More. Oh, look, you look like Taylor again.
Do not go. Do not. You hit me. Boy. Dunk you in the toilet. Flush ya. flush you down the toilet. Go flush you. He's going down the toilet. Alright. No! No! If that was your binky, I'm throwing it in the trash.
That was a binky.
It was thinking, it almost hit me.
Yeah, I want to know the trash.
Flying binkies.
Can I throw this away?
Anymore.
Can I throw this
Bye,
away?
Binky.
I think it's broken.
Bye, Binky.
In the trash.
Broken binky. Uh-oh. What are you doing to...
Bye, Binky.
These go up in that glass cabinet. Everything else goes in the utensil bag.
Good building, buddy.
So just wherever.
Caitlin, you better direct you to that cabinet. I just use stuff out of there. I don't know where anything goes in there.
You just used stuff. Hi, Lovey. I feel like I'm being used.
See, that's a house.
Good job.
Thanks, Dave.
Oh, Tay's helping.
And a chimney for your house?
Good job. Ta-da. How high can you build that? Whoa. Did you see this? I'm holding it and look what's on my lap.
Oh, wow. Are you in the salary?
Am I in the salary? What am I getting paid?
$60 per day.
$60 a day? Wow.
Taylor,
You're getting 50.
I quit.
no, you're not gonna quit.
I'm holding.
Well, that's the end of this video.
Okay. Good job.
Yeah, now that my
If
work
you
is quit.
if you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Goodbye.